In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace an RV vent cover, and you only need one tool, a screwdriver. I started by taking the vent trim cover off. It allows me to see if there was any water damage in the ceiling, which there wasn't, and it gives me full access to the vent cover. Be extra careful with these parts. They are cheap and very brittle. Next, you will take the screen off by pressing these tabs. Again, be careful. These parts are cheap and brittle. Next, take off the handle that opens the vent by unscrewing the screw in the middle of the handle. After you remove the screw, you may need to pull on the handle to get it all the way off. The last remaining cover should come right off, but there may be screws holding it in. Put the handle back on, open the vent cover all the way, and this allows the vent cover to disconnect from the lifting mechanism. Now you can unscrew the lifting mechanism and slide it off the cover. It may need a little bit of wiggling. The next steps will be on top of the RV. You can see the tape that I put on the cover to keep water out while we were waiting for the new cover to arrive. It rained a lot and we had a lot of water coming through. Make sure you match your new cover to the old one by part number. The old cover had the part number on it, so it made it simple to find the new one. Swapping the vent itself is super easy. You open the cover all the way and the cover will slip out of the hinge. Installing the new one is the same. Start with the cover all the way open, press up on the hinge, and then close the vent cover, and it should fall into place. Now we go back inside the RV and repeat the steps in reverse. Connect the lifting mechanism to the cover. Install both screws on the sides of the lifting mechanism. I would test to make sure it works, both opens and closes. Next, install the first piece of trim cover by sliding the cover over the little metal tabs. Then connect the handle and screw it on all the way. Next, install the screen by pushing up on the tabs. Be careful, these are very cheap and brittle parts. Last, install the trim cover with all 4 screws, and now your vent is replaced and hopefully dry. Because our cover leaked for an entire week without us knowing, I needed to really clean the carpet. I started by vacuuming multiple directions, which was probably the first time this area has been vacuumed since we have the trailer. Next, I used a carpet spot cleaner, which I'll link down below. And you can actually see the brown from the dirty rain coming out of the carpet. Last, before we put the mattress back up there, I had to put a fan so that the carpet can be completely dry.